Ever wondered how simple milk turns into so many yummy cheeses? Let's step inside a cheese factory and watch the magic happen. Fresh milk arrives at the factory and is heated gently to kill germs and keep it safe.
Look at the friendly bacteria! They glow when they jump into the milk! So cool! Isn't that satisfying? The magical machine slices the soft curd into perfect little cubes, and the yummy whey drains right away.
Milk thickens and splits. Solid curds become cheese. Liquid whey flows away. Curds are pressed into blocks, wheels, or slices. Each shape tells a cheese story.
Salt adds flavor, and aging rooms slowly build taste and texture. Same milk, different magic. Like cheddar, aged and bold. Mozzarella, soft and stretchy. Swiss, nutty with holes. Parmesan, hard and salty. Blue cheese, strong and creamy. Finally, cheese is packed, sealed, and ready to make our meals delicious. Which cheese is your favorite? Like, share, and follow for more yummy factory stories.